watching Sphere News Network. It's time 9 p.m. headlines. I'm Adiha Saeed with international headlines. Princess Latifa, the captive daughter of Dubai ruler, has appealed to UK police to re-investigate the kidnap of her older sisters from Cambridge streets more than 20 years ago. US regulators have found the single-shot Johnson & Johnson's coronavirus vaccines is safe and effective. The US is preparing to release an intelligence report that is widely accepted to implicate Saudi Arabia's crown prince in the murder of journalist Jamal Khashoggi in 2018. Australia has passed a world-first law aimed at making Google and Facebook pay for news content on their platform. In the US, more than 50 million people experienced hunger in 2020, up from 35 million the years before. The Joe Biden's administration is taking steps to address the food crisis, but that will take time. Meanwhile, communities have filled the gap by coming up with novel ways to feed their needs. Worldwide concerns over military crisis in Myanmar. 137 NGOs wrote letters to Security Councils to stop arms delivery to Myanmar. In Haryana, red pandas are playing and ups and downs on the trees branches. This video was viral and many people saved it in their gallery.